Hey everyone, welcome for our story today again.
Welcome.
Welcome!
So once upon a time, there was Princess Snow. She lived in a snow kingdom. Yay, I can make snowman. And I can make a snow fort. I can have a snowball fight. Poof, poof, poof. Hey, 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 hey.
That's the storyteller.
And she had kids.
2 kids. No, the big daddy.
They're big kids?
Yeah.
Mama, I can throw a snowball at you. Poof. Ah.
I can do a snowman too.
Poof. Ah. They lived in a tall castle. It was so tall that the birds couldn't fly around it.
Oh.
We'll just pretend this crane is a bird.
No, I'm the top guy.
They had to fly all the way around. That was hard work.
Oh, all the way up.
Uh-huh. But there was a bad guy, and his name was Lafio.
Let's see it closely.
He had strong muscles, and he was like a ninja. Hi-ya! Hi-ya!
Yeah.
And he had a plan. I'm going to steal all the fish. Now, these were not ordinary fish. They were special fish. When they burp, cheese comes out of their mouth. And cheese comes out of their mouth. We don't have a toy fish, so we're just using this as a fish. Just pretend. Cheese.
This can be in because cheese is right.
So I will make a cheese factory and get rich by selling lots of cheese out of the fish's mouth. I don't even have to make the cheese, just have to get the fish to burp a lot.
That's so bad.
But these fish were in the property of the castle. That means they belonged to the princess and her kids. So he was not allowed to do that.
What?
It's a special pond of water that's in the same property as the castle.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not for people just to take.
What
It's
do you
the
mean?
princess's fish,
Really?
not everybody's fish. My own pond in my backyard. Nobody's allowed there.
No, people were sneaking there.
Guards, build a fence all the way around it. So they built a fence to protect it, because Princess didn't want people to steal her special fish. Especially because their kids loved cheese. I'm gonna get some cheese. Little fishy burp. Boop, 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 boop.
He's eating a fish.
But at nighttime, everyone was asleep. Shh. 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 Lafio, the bad guy, came. I'm going to take all the fish. One fish.
But Daddy, wait, you have a
Two
fence.
fish.
You have a
Oh
fence.
yeah, he had to cut through the fence. He got some big scissors and cut through. 3 fish. 4 fish. 5 fish. And he kept going till they were all in his van. And he drove away. Let us out. And he went to a secret place to hide and get the fish starting to make cheese for his factory. Well, it was morning time.
Let's go get some fish for dinner.
Okay. Me too, me too.
I don't see anything.
Oh no, it's empty. Mama! Yes?
No fish.
There's no fish, it's empty. Oh no, somebody cut through the fence.
Where will we do breakfast this time?
So the kids wanted to go and search for the fish. Oh, remember he stole the kids too, right?
Yeah.
So they went by themselves outside. But Lafio was watching. Those kids are going to tell on me. Maybe I'll take them too.
But you already tell on them.
So he took them in his van and drove away. He kidnapped the kids. Princess said, they're taking such a long time. Monkey, go see where they are.
Ooh, 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 ooh. No, kids.
No kids. So she had to go on an adventure with her friends. There was Chippy the mouse. We're just pretending this is Chippy. We know it's Minnie, but we'll just pretend it's Chippy the mouse. Loves to eat chips. More chips, please, more.
No.
And
Pew pew.
pew pew.
We know the unicorn.
And Mulan. And Potato the cat. He has swords that can come out of his back or her back. Ching, ching, ching. So these guys all went to go see the wise old man who has a long beard down to the ground. Let's go.
The old bunny.
There was a wise old bunny who stayed at his house. He was just visiting, but the old man asked him to stay a long time because the old man got in trouble with the fairies for taking some things he should not take from them. So they put their powers on him so he could not talk for 3 days.
And he stayed in her house.
Right, for 3 days he had to stay in his house and he could not talk. So he asked the wise old bunny to stay longer to help him. Okay, I'll help you. So they were surprised when the old man wouldn't come out. They usually see him in his chair outside.
But,
Wait, where's the old man?
oh, the old man is trouble because the fairies the old man got in trouble. So he had to stay in her house for 3 days and talk for 3 days. And yeah, so I'm staying longer for visiting.
Potato, did we bring any blue carrots? Mulan, did we bring any blue carrots? Pew Pew, did we bring any blue carrots?
I did.
Shoo. Thank you, Chippy. Here you go, wise little bunny.
Thank you. So what's the problem? I already know, but just tell me.
Somebody stole our fish and our kids.
Ooh, that bad man. I know it. He's trying to make a factory. From cheese, he doesn't have to buy it. Then he's gonna get so rich.
But those are my fish. He can't do that.
Yes, he will. Soon as he can.
So the wise old bunny kept talking to them about Lafio, the bad guy. Ha 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 ha, warning them that he's strong and he could do ninja. He could fight ninja style. And the wise old bunny told them, be careful, he's very strong.
What's her name?
Wise old bunny.
No.
Fuzzy friends.
Oh, so he's fuzzy.
So he told them, be careful, he can fight you. And the way to beat him, I know, said Potato the cat, with my swords. Meow, 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 meow. So the wise old bunny said, no, I'm sorry, the swords are not going to work. He's just too quick for you. It will be like, yeah. Yeah, just leave it. So the wise old bunny said, your swords are not going to work. He'll still beat you. You have to have something special. Let me go get it. This right here, it's not a crayon.
It's a crayon. It's a crayon.
Just put this at his feet And what will happen is it's like a seed. These plants will grow and trap him inside.
Ew.
Like this. Hey, let me out of here.
But you can't because he's a seed in him.
But I have to warn you, keep it away from monkey because it's very, very delicious. Even me, I like to take just a little nibble. Oh, it's so good. Yummy. Oh, we all want one nibble. No, there won't be anything left. You'll finish all of it.
One nibble?
But you got to have a nibble. You have to protect the seed. Hey, get that monkey off.
No!
Protect the seed. So Chippy the mouse said, I'll protect it.
But so tiny. No! No!
Don't worry, I just like to eat chips. So you won't get me to nibble the seed.
You're so tiny. Give me it.
So Chippy put it in his pocket, but Princess said, no, Chippy. I'm going
No!
to put it in my pocket. So Princess protected it.
Give me it.
Here, monkey, here's a Kindle.
No, I don't want
Anything else, wise old bunny? That's all. Okay.
But where are we going to find our house?
Oh, yeah. Let me get the map. So he went inside the old man's house. And the old man's house
Map.
had some faces on it. No. Oh, it had a map, yeah. So they showed a map. Here you go, guys.
Why do you have faces on it?
Oh, it's telling us the bad place to go and a sad place to go. Which one do we want? The scary place or the sad place?
No, it says sad and surprise.
Sad and surprise. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you there's a surprise along the way. What is it? If I tell you, it won't be a surprise.
No,
We want to know. What if it's
But
bad?
that one isn't.
Don't worry, you'll see it.
Tell me.
Let's go.
No, tell me.
All right, let's keep going. So they went because the bunny would not tell them. I think the old man would have told us. He tells us everything.
Yeah. Where's the little mouse? Chippy. Sorry, we lost Chippy.
So they found a penguin on the way. Right here.
Penguin!
Oh, that's the surprise. My penguin, he's my pet.
Really?
Penguin, we're missing all of our fish. I'll help you. Come on, penguin, let's go.
Wait, I want a hug. Let me hold you. There. Let's go.
That was a good surprise. I wish that the bunny told us. So then they followed the map and got to the factory. They snuck inside. Shh, be very quiet. They found a little place to hide and to watch. All of the fish were making cheese. Where'd that little duck go?
These kids are... Here it is. That's a real bug.
Yeah.
Ay.
Oh, they're making lots and lots of cheese.
Monkey's so afraid so he's holding on to it.
That's my cheese. Shh, quiet, said Chippy. Chippy covered her mouth. Shh, quiet. They'll hear you. Chippy covered her mouth.
Everybody, hide. Come on, you guys.
So they hid,
Princess.
so no one could see them. Lafio was laughing. Ha ha ha! I'm getting so much cheese and I'm gonna be so rich. Ha ha ha! Yes, good kitty. Here's some cheese for you.
No, I'm just showing everybody because I didn't show. Oh, he's a bad cat.
Meow. He has swords that can come out of his back too. So if that little potato comes around here, he will have someone to fight with. Ha 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 ha! Help! Help! Let us out of here! Let us out of here!
Don't let I go! And run.
So Chippy said, "Here, let's get that seed, and I'll put it under him."
Be careful, Chippy.
But Monkey grabbed it before anyone could and said, "Just a little nimble." Oh, it's so good! I want more nibbles! But Chippy got it away fast and ran with it. Give it to me! What is that noise? Said Lafio. So Chippy ran fast under his feet and put the seed. Hello! Hey, what are you doing in my factory? Hiya, said Potato, but the bad cat came. Hiya! They both had swords out of their back.
Okay, they're fighting.
And Lafio started laughing. Ho, 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 just like his name is Lafio. Laughing. But the seed was under him, starting to shake. And the plant started to come out on both sides. What's going on? Let me out of here! Hey, let me out of here!
Didn't we eat it? No! No, Mikey! Oh, you gonna let him out.
Right, if you eat it, then he'll get out. All right, let's take him to jail. So they took him to jail, and Potato won the fight against the bad cat. Ha ha! And so he took him to jail too.
How? Hey, bye-bye. No, not you. You're bad, baby.
So they put them in jail. And then they had a party.
Oh, yeah.
Yay, we're free!
Dad, who let the monkeys out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the bunnies out?
Hippity hop, hippity hop.
Who let the mice out?
Chippy, Chippy, Chippy.
Who let the cat out?
Meow, 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 meow.
Who let the princess out?
Who let the kids out? Me.
Me.
And who let the fish out?
Some cheese, everybody eat cheese.
And who let the penguins out? Yeah. And don't forget the wise old bunny. Who let the wise old bunnies out? Hippity hop, hippity hop, hippity hop.
Hey, you need hugs?
Who let the birds out?
Remember that long time ago we have a bad bird? But he's bad and then they'll never get out.
And that one that flew over the castle?
Wow!
And they lived happily ever.
Yay!
I didn't get to try some of the cheese yet on my chips. Come here, fish. Burp. I'm gonna put on my chips. Let me try. Oh, it's so delicious!
I know he likes cheese. But
And then-
Wobby made it of fish.
And they lived happily
Bye!
ever after the end.